Ruin, cut and burn it.
You eat them as we call. This is now burning, but you generally eat them.
I think you will get these things to rend it. Rend this stuff.
This?
Fireplace, yeah, fireplace stuff.
Actually, you can buy it at Home Depot.
Oh, okay.
Somebody gave it to me as a present.
Oh, okay. Because actually tomorrow I have safeguard of party. Tomorrow one of my friends who is working in Amex is buying a house. He's a director in Amex. He's buying a house. Boy bought a house actually. So tomorrow is a housewarming, you know, like first time when I get in the house.
Okay.
It's a brand new house. So what we plan, morning he has to do some religious, like, you know, typical Indian stuff. And the afternoon, in the evening we plan like a house and going to lamp. Cutting the lamp and like a typical way. So he wanted to buy this fireplace. So he was looking around for building it and got something like that.
So how's mom doing?
She's doing fine.
Oh, yeah, boss. Nice.
Actually, it used to be a good system.
How much what?
Somebody gave
Wattage?
it to me for $100.
Yeah, good.
These are what, 5 or 7s, whatever it's called. They were actually good speakers, but yeah.
You have separate amplifiers?
It has, it's not really a big system. And these are old, very old.
Yeah, this model wooden cabinets. Nowadays, you get for the small laptop speakers, this two system that comes for $100.
Actually, they make some really good stuff now.
Yeah.